Hi, this is a brief tutorial on how to set up your Allen Bradley PanelView Plus HMI device to your laptop to upload applications into your HMI. As you can see, you've booted your HMI and you're in your default screen and you're on your laptop. Because these are school computers, you have to create a user account that you can set up a password. So you come into your start menu and you're going to want to go to control panel. And then in your control panel, you're going to look for user accounts right here. You click on user accounts, and then you click on manage another account and create a new account. You click on administrator, just name it HTC, and you click create an account. Once you do that, you can see your new account right here. Click on it, create a password, and HTC is your password, HTC to confirm, and you click create password. So now you've created your username and password because you need to have networking authentication when you're setting up your HMI. So now you want to go to your start menu, all programs, Rockwell software, and then you'll see the factory talk tools, and you're going to want to go to your factory talk directory configuration. Once this is loaded, you can see you got your configuration. You only need the local. There's a factory talk network directory and local directory. You only need your local directory. So you make sure you configure the factory talk local directory is checked. You hit next. And then it's going to ask you for that username and password to reconfigure the local directory. So you do HTC, and then you hit next. And this will take a few minutes for that to set up. So all you got to do is go to Start menu, All Programs, Rockwell Software, Factory Talk View, and then Factory Talk Video Studio. And you can see your configuration wizard. Just want to make sure it says that it was successful under Factory Talk local directory, and then hit close. Now you're in your Factory Talk View Studio Machine Edition. These are some existing projects that you have in here. If you have an existing project, all you gotta do is just click, whichever one you're doing it for. For us, I'm gonna do the Malt House right here. I'm just gonna double click on that. You can still select your file later. If you decide you want to upload something different, you can do that later, and I'll show you how. You can maximize your screen if you want. Then on the left hand side here, down at the bottom, you'll see something that says RS Link Enterprise. We're just going to verify that we have a connection. Once you click on this RS Link Enterprise, you also then double click on Communication Setup. Once you click on that, you'll have this screen here. And up in the left hand, you can see that's the project you have selected. You come over to the right, and you should see RS Link Enterprise, Ethernet. You click on the plus right next to it says Ethernet, and then you should see your panel. In this case, it's 192.168.1.107. So we know that we've got a communications with your HMI. Then you come up here at your top bar, and you select Transfer Utility. Once your Transfer Utility pulls up, now here's where you can select any, if you want to do a different project. It says your source file right here at the top. Make sure you're on the download, or if you want to upload anything, or compare, if you make changes, the same program, you compare and make changes. On your source file, just double click these, or single click these three periods on the right hand side. If you click that, it'll open up a menu here, and this is where you can find your new program. But like I said, in this case, I'm bringing up the Malt House 800 by 600. So once you select your program, and you can see it's going to the internal storage, and then you come down here to the network configuration. You just highlight the PanelView Plus 1250 to download to. Then up in the right hand corner you can click your download button, and there it goes. Once it says download has completed successfully, you come over here to your HMI, and you can see up here you've got load application. So I'm going to click load application, and then now you can see I've got my malt house. So I scroll down one. There we go. And then I'm going to click load. You want to replace the current configuration? Yes. And it says loading. So now you can see your program. So now you hit run application. And there you go.